PNF stretching on the abductors of the shoulder. To perform these stretches, what we're going to do is have the client in side lying. So you're going to turn onto your left side. And I'm going to show you two different variations. One is going to be a simple contract-relax. The second is going to be with an added antagonist contraction. So when we are performing this first variation, we are going to take the arm behind the back. By taking the arm behind the back, what we are going to be doing is putting a little bit more of a stretch on the anterior fibers, like the anterior deltoid. And if we want to get a little bit more of a stretch, what we can do is externally rotate the shoulder, and that will give us even more of a stretch on the anterior deltoid. First, I'm going to show you the basic one. So you're going to take the arm behind, you're going to stabilize at the shoulder, and then you are going to take their arm down towards the floor. Once they can't go any farther, you're going to give them 2 taps. That will signify to press up into my hand. And then after 4 to 7 seconds, another tap, they're going to relax. And you're going to take them deeper into abduction. Now, if we want to add an antagonist contraction, what we can do is give them another 2 taps. They'll press up into the hand. And then 1 tap, bring your arm down towards the ground. So that is how we are going to work on the abductors of the shoulder. Again, another way that we can do this to target more of the anterior fibers is take them more into lateral rotation. By taking them into lateral rotation, it's going to get a lot more of the anterior fibers. If they are restricted in the posterior fibers, for this one, what we can do is have them laying on their back. And what we would do for this one is go with the body in front. So we would stabilize at the shoulder, take the arm in front, and then 2 taps, they'll push out into the hands. 1 tap, they're going to relax, and you're going to take them more into adduction, stretching the abductors. And then if we want to target more the posterior fibers, what we can do is take them into medial rotation. By taking them into medial rotation, it's going to place the arm in such a position that will allow us to target the posterior fibers a lot more. So the posterior deltoid is going to get a lot more of a stretch by medially rotating the arm when we take them into that position. And that is how we stretch the abductors of the shoulder.